Welcome to Moldbusters Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System course. WHMIS is for the person who works around hazardous chemicals like compressed gases, paints, cleaning products, fuels, or solvents. This system is designed to keep you safe by providing you with information. Before you work with any chemical product, you need to know: where can I get information about this product? What are the hazards? How can I use it safely? What if something goes wrong? What are my rights and responsibilities? WHMIS protects you from the hazards of chemical products by providing you with the information and training you need to work safely. WHMIS requirements are outlined in the Federal Hazardous Products Act and regulations administered by Health Canada. WHMIS is based on the globally harmonized system developed by the United Nations to help standardize hazard communication. In this course, we will teach you to navigate the WHMIS system effectively, ensuring your safety and the safety of those around you in the workplace.